from the figure 8 here in Royal National Park, and I thought this is the way, but I'm already in this side. But yeah, there is actually no way. We'll figure out this. I'm scared. Whoa, look at this. Yeah, it is scary. There is no proper way. I'm scared of a snake, so I'm going back down there. Oh, not there, but here. Yeah, we are already there, but I really can't find a way. And looking at the side, also it's impossible. Looks impossible. Yeah. Look at that, it's very high up to go there, and it's the same place where I've been, because going to the other side, yes, I don't have enough time, because the sunset will be at 5 o'clock, so it's going to be very dark already. I have been walking in the bush, and we are back now here in the car park. Yeah, still a lot of cars, and it is not allowed to camp here. It is written there, no camping. I am very hungry now, so we are going to McDonald's or KFC, and then we'll figure out where is going to sleep tonight. It's not allowed to sleep here in National Park. Actually, there is camping ground, but it's far from the car. Okay, so we arrived here in a KFC after about 15-20 minutes of driving along the highway. Yeah, what's the name of the highway? Princess Highway. Yeah. And this is the one. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we are at the moment here in, yeah, I forgot the name of the park, but this is here in Miranda. Coming from Royal National Park last night. Yeah, I drive and I stop in McDonald's. Oh no, KFC. I eat KFC, and yeah, I stayed there for maybe 1-2 hours, and then I drive in the night looking for a place to stay, and I end up here in this big playground. And of course I check if it is allowed to park, and there's no any warning. Yeah, it's actually free. There is not even a sign of a parking limit. The only sign there is the position of the vehicles, the length of the vehicles that is allowed to park. Only that. There's no price, no time limit, and so I decided to stay. And until now I'm here. This is the home of the Magpies. If I am not mistaken, they are a rugby player. This place is probably a sports center, because inside there are several rugby court, table tennis court maybe also. I'm not sure. And there are some kids playing this time. Oh, the name of the place is Miranda Youth Center, RSL Youth Club. Oh yeah, the tennis court is that side. The sun is hot, but the temperature is cold. Yeah, it's more of cold, not hot. Is the feeling this time. I don't feel really comfortable this time, because yeah, I didn't have a shower yesterday, coming from walking and sweating a lot. Yeah, coming from the playground, there is a Coles in here, and I can see that there is a shopping mall. Yeah, Westfield. So Westfield is one of the major shopping center here in Australia. We are not going to the shopping mall. And in here there are many condominiums. Yeah, residential apartment. Actually, we keep on walking. It is cold. Yeah, that's the Spruceville shopping center. We are not going inside. If I go, I will be tempted to buy, to eat. I don't want. Actually, there is another Spruceville on that side. Nice. I don't know if this is connected at the back, going to the other Spruceville. Maybe they are. Oh, they are making here a playground. There is the, you know, the skateboard rink. Yeah, similar to the one in Bondi Beach. Nice. And now I'm feeling hungry, so we're going to leave this place. We go to Cronulla, and we are now here in the Cronulla. Yeah, I've been here before, but I actually don't remember the actual place. Yeah, not in this particular area, but in here it's beautiful. Yeah, there is this playgrounds for children and for adults. There is a basketball court on that side, and there is a picnic area, there is toilet, and there is exercise area, and the beach. And then in here, more beaches, and maybe a commercial area on that side in front of the beach. Yeah, nice. There's this basketball court. Nice. Rarely to see a basketball court here in Australia. Yeah, another basketball court that side. And you know, one thing I noticed is that, yeah, it's not it's a free parking. Yeah, very nice. We're going to walk around, and at the same time we'll be looking for a place to shower. Yeah, it was 2016 when I first come here in Cronulla. Oh, I remember now that when I come here, I was just on the beach near the train station, and over there are lots of shops and restaurants. It's a little bit far already, but still part of the Cronulla. Maybe I am heading to the one that is near to the train station. There's a lot of students on that side, even there, down there. And most of the toilets that I am seeing, the showers, are actually the outdoors one. I'm not going to shower outdoors. Yeah, we are coming from that very far side. Yeah, coming from there. Oh, it's good to take a picture of that airplane. Yeah, we are now facing to this residential commercial place, and it reminds me of places, streets in Gold Coast. Yeah, coming from that area, that's like the modern part of Cronulla, and in here this is the Cronulla Central Business District. Yeah, it's like a older version of Cronulla shopping center area. So they have this shopping street. It's a big shopping street, and that's already the train station. If you're coming from Sydney, that will be the one to stop. And we are here in the Indian restaurant. Yeah, I'm going to eat a lot of Indian curry. Different Indian curry, $13. Amazing. Yeah, all those 3 curries that I eat, they are all delicious. Even the eggplant curry, very delicious. Oh, this is what I remember when I first came here in 2016. Yeah, this area. And I remember that during the time was summer and school holiday. So basically we are coming from that far side, and this is like the main beach. And actually a lot of people here swimming, sunbathing, eating in the restaurant, and some are just standing by. Okay, I was able to shower. Okay, there is one indoor shower. Nice. Most of the shower is like this, and the shower is actually cold. I am actually editing a video here. Yeah, and Yeah, the sun is actually just set over there, and this is how it is now. There's a lot of people there playing basketball on the side also, and a lot of cars on the side also there. And I noticed that most of these people are actually fishermen. Yeah, they get down from the car and they walk all the way there with their fishing equipment.